Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the Three of Wands and the Ten of Swords. Knight of Pentacles, the shadow side or the devil. Six of Cups and the Hermit card. King of Wands and the Ace of Cups. So yung bottom card natin, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so may mga specific signs tayo dyan ng strong Capricorn and Virgo. Meron din earth energies and fire energies. Okay, so tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards. So maaaring may someone dito from afar, from a distance, na iniisip-isip ka ngayon, maaaring namimiss ka nitong taon to na nasa malayong lugar. Ayan. Medyo mabagal ang energy, pero tingnan natin. Matagal to na nahimik with the Hermit card. So, we have here Clover. Oh, lucky card. And the ring. Uy, may mga proposal, love proposal. Or maaaring this person mag-offer ulit siya sa'yo ng cup of love. Or pwedeng naging kayo, pwedeng hindi eh. Kasi maaaring yung taon to is kakilala mo lang. Pwedeng a friend na namimiss ka. Pwedeng ex, pwedeng hindi. So, we also have here money, deep well, mask, and light bulb. So, yung bottom card, luck. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong message ng archangels natin sa reading na to. Beloved One by Archangel Chamuel, I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. So, maaaring soulmates, energy kayo nitong taon to, one of your soul tribe, ganyan. Kaya parang kahit na medyo matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap nitong taon to dahil na rin sa long distance situation, mukhang matagal na rin kayong hindi nagkita, nagkausap, ganyan. Pero still hindi ka naman niya nakalimutan, no? So tingnan natin sa ating mga tarot messages, oracle cards. Kung itong taon to nag-OFW or nag-migrate sila sa ibang bansa before nung bata pa siya, ayan, so siguro dahil nga wala pa siyang kakayanan para gawin ko ano yung gusto niya kasi syempre nasa poder pa siya ng magulang niya. Pero ngayon, kung itong taon to is na okay na, nakakatayo na siya sa sarili niyang paa, may sarili na siyang business, pinagkakakitaan. Ayan, mukhang nag-iipon-ipon lang to para makipagkita sa'yo. Ayan, may ginawa kanyang inspiration eh. I will start to save money. You're so sexy. Husband-wife material. We have here my intuition choose you. I watch you from afar. Ayan no. And can we talk? Willing to take the risk and I'm stubborn but practical. Ayan. So, talagang this person is watching you from afar, from a distance, kasi nga long distance situation kayo. And this person really want to talk about you and this person. Kung ano man yung connection nyo na parang hindi natuloy, naudlot, may mga nangyari miscommunication, maaaring missed opportunity, ganyan. And tingnan natin. More messages sa ating Dahilan Truth Oracle cards. I wonder if you're happy without me. I left when I saw you with someone. The timing just wasn't right for us. So mukhang may nagkaroon din ng third party issue dito or may nag-assume na maaring you're in a relationship with someone else. Yun ang inisip niya. Or maaring ikaw. Kaya parang hindi mo sineryoso or hindi niya sineryoso yung feelings na yon. And I bury myself in work to forget you, pero hindi nangyari. I hide behind material things. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Kasi nga parang hindi nga niya ginusto rin talaga yung nangyari na bitawan ka. Lalo na kung ng mga panahong yun is youngster pa kayo, minor, ganyan, 'di ba? And I'm afraid to contact you. Bottom card, I want to tell you how I feel. So, maaaring hindi niya nasabi yon bago siya umalis, yung feelings niya sa'yo. Pero ngayon, ayan, maaaring sabihin niya sa'yo yan. Or mag-confess itong taong to. Ayan, sa initials, kuha tayo. E, U, S, D, Y, Z, V. M, B, C, H, G. Ayan mga initials natin. And let's see sa blue card. We have here regret. Oo, maaaring nanghihinayang siya na hindi niya yun nasabi sa'yo noon bago kayo nagkahiwalay. Understanding and infatuation. So, maaaring nag-start ngayon sa infatuation, puppy love, or childhood sweethearts, ganyan. So, let's see sa ating general signs and the messages. So, keywords na lang ito. Hindi na natin kailangan i-explain more. Alam niyo na to. We have here number 6. Maring mga special number. February. Maring may special moments kayo during February or Valentine's Day. Skin tag. Fantastic friend. Perfect smile. Libra and friendly. So, maring a friend. Maring na friend zone before. Rainy season. Patience please. Weird. Flirtatious. Long distance. Confirmation again na may long distance situation. Private person. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. Need more signs. Okay. We have here Mindanao. Very lucky. Another lucky card. 7. Chaser. Sweet. Gemini. Cold City. Food lover, gorgeous, and travel. Ayan. So, ayan. Magta-travel na. Just to meet you, to see you again, mga ganyan. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.